Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add free shipping on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to the Shopify dashboard on your store. Then after heading over to it, you have to tap on the settings, and from there you will find this option called shipping and delivery. After clicking on settings from the bottom left corner here, you will see this option called shipping and delivery. From there you can see already made shipping from the Shopify store, but if you want to add it, you can just simply tap onto it and delete it, and you will find this option called create shipping zone. You have to tap onto this option, and from there you can create your zone for the different countries of the world, different types of shipping prices, and that's it. So tap onto this, like for example, if you want to tap onto Afghanistan, tap onto it and you can edit it. So then after tapping onto it, you can click on done, then you can choose your rate from there, and now you can add free shipping to Shopify. That's it. Like you have to name shipping rate. Like like this video is for free shipping, so I'm gonna write this name free shipping, then choose the price like $0 for free, and then tap done. So that's it. This is how you can add free shipping on Shopify. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.